What's up, everyone? I'm going to show you a foam rolling routine that's going to help you to get deeper into your squat. And also I'm going to show you a really cool little technique that really helps to break up all those knots that are in your glutes. All right. So it's really fun, really fast, and really effective. So let's get started. All right. So I notice a lot when people do their squats, they're typically like this, where when we're doing like a nice, squat, we should be more like this, back nice in a line, shoulders up, but we tend to be leaning forward. That's because we have to work a little bit more on our ankle mobility, and that's where we're gonna start first. So we're gonna take our rollers. Again, I like to use the cork rollers. Gets in deeper into the muscles, into the fascia, and it's better for the environment. So let's go ahead and start with our left leg. We're just gonna go ahead, we're gonna make sure that left leg is laying there on the roller. And already that right there for most people is already very sensitive, okay? And if that is, we can just start by just rolling side to side. And I have it like right on the Achilles tendon, going side to side. And this is like a nice little secret to really getting deeper into your squat. So you're just gonna go side to side. You can do some scrubbing in that area too, light rolling. Then, as you're working on it, it starts to become less sensitive, and we might want to kind of, upgrade a little bit, put a little bit more pressure on it. So what you can do is actually bring your other leg and just place it on top. That right there, whoa, already takes it to the next level. So we're just gonna sit there. And again, I'm doing some nice little rocking, taking it all the way around. And just finding those areas, when we kind of do these rolling, these rolling videos, I always tell you, to be a detective. Find the areas that are very sensitive, and we're going to apply some pressure to get some blood flow in there to help to reduce the inflammation and help to remodel those tissues. So it can be, nice and pliable, but not as sensitive. So let's keep going. Perfect. Okay, so let's go ahead. Other side, we're going to do the same thing. Horizontal, on top. So, first, let's start again, if it might be sensitive. So we could start by just finding those areas, working on them. See, I jumped in there too fast. I found the area that's still pretty sensitive. So I'm turning my foot inwards and just doing some, some mini rolls if you want. Mini rolls in there. All right, just breaking that up. Again, you'll start to feel that blood flow in there, and that's what's gonna help us to calm that inflammation, help to repair the sensitive tissue. Okay, and we can go here a little bit here on the outside. Perfect. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some more pressure, and whoa, that brought it up. And I have this area right in here, a little bit above the Achilles tendon that I know I really need to work on, okay? Because it's very sensitive. So I'm just really gonna sit there, kind of get into that area, do a little bit of scrubbing. And FYI, when we work on these areas, 1 to 2 minutes max. That's pretty much all you need. Okay, and as me scrubbing in there, it is actually becoming less sensitive because again, I'm getting that blood flow in there. All right, and there we go, perfect. All right, so now everything is feeling good, even though I got this more added pressure with the top leg on there. Feeling good, feeling great. All right, cool. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on. We're gonna take it upstream to the glutes, the powerhouse. So what you do, you see, I have the roller, I have it horizontal, and I'm sitting, but I start to turn towards the area that I wanna focus in on, which is more here in this right glute. So again, you can place the foot here or here, whatever's gonna give you the, that leverage, that balance you need to really get in there. And as I start to roll this area, oh my God, feels like I got a softball in there. I was squatting heavy the other day. So this is the type of work we need to do because those knots restrict your range of motion, okay? So you just wanna make sure that we're getting there nice and deep and everything is good. Woo. Like I said, sometimes it feels like you're, going over speed bumps, which technically they are speed bumps in your actual movement. Okay, so I notice this is starting to smooth out a bit. Feeling better. It's not as sensitive as it was. Found another one right there. And I can do some scrubbing side to side. That really breaks it down. Going cross fiber really helps to get some more circulation and break up those huge bands and knots that we have. Okay, it's feeling better. Now I can roll a little bit further up. Again, I want to keep the roller on the meat, the meats, the tissues, and not on the bone. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to go ahead to the other side. I can lay this at an angle, whatever you feel works best for you. So for me, I like to turn towards it. As soon as I turn, I found something. So I'm just going to go in here, up, 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 up. Ooh. Okay, this side, not as bad, but definitely got some knots in there, but they're breaking up pretty easy. So I'm totally okay with that. You might hear like a all kinds of noises coming from your glutes. Again, those are those bunched up muscle fibers that are in there. So this is going to help to remodel them and release the fascia, get the blood flow in there. And you're going to see you'll see pretty quickly, actually right away after you do this, how you're able to get down deeper into your squat. Okay, perfect. All right, last but not least, adductors, very ignored muscle group on everybody. So it's very sensitive. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna lie that roller down, what you call it, vertically. I'm gonna place it right here on the inside of the leg near the knee, and I'm gonna roll it out. Again, kind of going towards the groin and coming back. So as I did this, I found a huge band, a tight band in there. So I want to get rid of that. So what I do, I'm going to apply some pressure to it. You see I'm kind of in this plank position. And then I'm going to bring my leg up into it, and whoa, that takes it to the next level. So anytime you find those big fibrous bands, I said they feel like guitar string or rope, this is a great technique to really get in there and to release the fascia, getting blood flow in there, and just, helping to repair it pretty quickly. So I'll do this maybe about like 10 times, because again, I'll start to engage my glute. Then once I figured, okay, it's feeling better, I start to kind of roll in that area a little bit more. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Okay, again, inside of the knee, and we roll. This one, not too bad. Okay, feeling actually pretty good on this left side, which is good. So I'm just getting there, rolling it. Found a little knot in there. Again, I can go bring that back leg up if I want to. Don't really need it, but again, you're gonna be body detective. You know your own body better than anyone. So just really go in there and find those knots and just kind of iron them out. Perfect, all right. Then after you finish that quick routine, you want to go ahead and just check your squat and look, oh, I'm able to get down real deep. Get my hands up, so I'm feeling really good, really great, and I know I'm ready to go kind of 10x my squat. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that video. Nice foam rolling routine to help you get deeper into your squat. If you're looking for more videos like this, I want you to like, share, and subscribe. All right, this is everyone's favorite health coach, Mike Jones, signing out. Have a pain-free day. Until next time.